All right, this right here is some awesome resin for 3D printing, and this stuff is just phenomenal. I mean, functionally, it works great. You can make really crisp prints with this stuff. Like, the resin itself is actually pretty thin, and so you can capture details really, really well. You can go pretty fine with your designs. And yeah, I mean, the resin works with both like smooth characters, like little duckies and things like that, like things that are not that detailed, but also it's pretty good with hard surfaces as well, like architecture, buildings, bridges, things like that. So it's kind of like the best of both worlds. And yeah, the odor in the stuff is not that bad. I'd say it's like a medium odor compared to other brands, which is pretty good, kind of like right there in the middle. And in terms of durability, it's pretty solid. Like the pieces come out looking real rugged and durable, and fairly resistant to scratches, which is great. And so yeah, I mean, overall, just some phenomenal resin.